Today we're diving into something that could be a total game changer if you've ever dreamed of starting your own business. It's an offer from Shopify that lets you get your online store off the ground with, well, basically no upfront cost. Let's break down how you can do it for just a single dollar.
There's this huge myth that starting a business requires a mountain of cash, right? It's that one big thing that stops so many amazing ideas right in their tracks. But what if it didn't have to be that way? What if you could test out your big idea without that massive financial risk?
Well, this is the number that completely changes the conversation. For just $1, Shopify has this special offer that lets you build out your entire store and get it ready for launch. Yep, you heard that right. Just $1 a month.
Okay, so let's get into the specifics here. The $1 offer, it sounds almost too good to be true, so how does it actually work? What's included? Here's the breakdown. First, you get a 3-day free trial, no strings attached. You can poke around, see how everything works, and really get a feel for the platform. After those 3 days, you roll right into your first 3 months for just $1 per month. It's designed to give you a completely risk-free start.
And what's so critical about this is the time it gives you. We're talking about a 90-day runway for practically nothing. That's more than enough time to build out your store, add all your products, customize the design, basically get everything perfect before you even think about committing to a full-price plan.
All right, that sounds pretty great, right? So the next logical question is, how do you actually get your hands on this deal? Well, the whole process is surprisingly simple.
It really just boils down to 3 easy steps. First, you start the free trial, just with your email. Shopify will ask you a few quick questions to help set up the bones of your store. And then, boom, you're in the dashboard, ready to customize. When that free trial is about to end, you just select a plan, and that locks in your $1 deal.
And this might be one of the best parts. It's a totally no-pressure start. During those first 3 days, you can build, you can explore, you can test every single feature without ever pulling out your wallet. You only put in your payment details when you're feeling good about it and you're ready to activate the offer.
So, what's the catch? For $1 a month, you're probably wondering if there are limitations, right? Are you getting some watered-down version of Shopify? Let's take a look at the full toolkit you actually get. I love this because it lays it all out so clearly. On the left, you've got the old way, the pressure cooker launch where you're paying full price from day one. On the right, you have 3 months of breathing room for just $1. It totally changes the game from a stressful race to a thoughtful, strategic process of building and testing. And just to be super clear, you are not getting some kind of light version. Nope, you get the whole shebang. Full access to all of Shopify's features for building your store, for selling your products, for managing inventory. It's the perfect low-cost way to see if your business idea has legs. And hey, you have the freedom to cancel anytime if it's not the right fit.
Okay, so you've got over 90 days. That is a massive advantage, but only if you use that time wisely. So, to make sure you get the absolute most out of this period, here's a simple little game plan.
Think of it like this. Month 1, that's on about building your foundation. Get your products in there, organize them into collections, and pick a design theme that you absolutely love. In month 2, it's time to refine and connect. Get that custom domain to look super professional and hook up your payment gateways so you can actually get paid. Then, in month 3, you test and prepare. Play around with the marketing tools and connect your store to all your social media accounts.
And that right there, that's the whole point. By the end of these 3 months, the goal isn't just to blindly hit the launch button. It's to launch a business that you are fully prepared for, a business that you're genuinely confident in.
Look, at the end of the day, what this offer really does is remove the single biggest roadblock for most people who want to start something new, that upfront cost. It gives you the time, the tools, and the opportunity to bring a real idea to life. So the only question left is, what are you going to build?